there, welcome to SigmatafVideo. My name is Stelio and I will be presenting our new how-to guide series for your WordPress CMS site. This is the first video in the series. In this video we will show you how to log into your website administrator console and familiarize you with the basics of the admin console. Alright, let's begin. First off, I'd like to say that I'll be using Firefox as I am most comfortable with this internet browser. You may use Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, maybe Safari, whatever your preference is. Please open your browser. In the top bar, please type in your web address. From now on, we will refer to the web address as a URL. Alright, we are going to view the website as is on its main page first before we delve into the background. As you can see, the website is loaded. We have our main page where we have our blog system, and as we add in posts in the top, it will move the post further down. This way we keep a current news feed which will help us with SEO. At the top we have buttons with drop downs, and we have a sidebar which you call a widget bar. We can populate this with many different applications, as we will see now. Alright, to log into your admin site, go back up to your top bar, make sure your web address is there. For our instance, we've got sigmataf.co.uk, and now we want to log into the admin side. So after the /, please type in wp-admin and hit enter. Alright, as you see, we are now ready to log into the admin portion of our website. You can see it is asking you for a username and password. We have provided you with these details, so please fill them in. Once you have put in your username and password, please click login. This is the main page you will always land on when you log in. As you can see, there are little boxes of information that are collapsible. These boxes can be moved around to your preference, and they all have different features. Like quick press, you can add in a new post, header and content, and say publish, and it will add it to the main part of your website. As you can see on the left, we have a collapsible menu. We'll have a quick run through of what this menu has. At the top, you can see that there's a drop down for dashboard. If you click on dashboard, it will take you to the same place you see now. And as you can see, each one of these little headings on the left have drop down menus. If you click on the little arrow, it'll open up more options. In dashboard, we have the home page, which we are currently on. We can click on updates. Updates will allow you to update your main website backend and your plugins. As you can see on my page, I have store sales and upgrades. This might not be the case on your site, and if it is, we will cover it on another video. Next heading is posts. If we click on the drop down, we've got the following headings. All posts is where you can review all posts that you have already created, and you can add new posts through this console. Although if you already know you're going to add a new post, you can just click on add new. Categories will allow you to create categories for your posts to reside in. You can have uncategorized, lingerie, rants, and as you create your posts, you can put them within these categories. This will allow your customers that are viewing your site to browse your latest news via those categories. Post tags. This is how we increase the SEO of your site for organic searches by adding tags to the bottom of the posts. Tags are 10 to 30 keywords that reside within the post that you type into the tags area that will help Google find that post when people type in something like boots. Our next heading is media. if we click the drop down, we see we have library and add new. If you click on add new, you can upload images that you know you will use later on your website. However, you do not need to use this, as you can add images as you add new pages. The library button will allow you to view all images you have already added to your database. The next drop down is links. Inside links, it categorizes all links you have got within your pages so that you can manage them a lot more efficiently. Within the pages drop down, we once again have the button for all pages, which is the same as all posts, and add new. Pages are separate pages within your site that people can go to. As you can see here, we've got animation, audio, business branding, contact us. You can add and remove pages and add them into drop down menus at will. The next heading is comments. You can click on comments to review what your customers think of your posts or pages. Products is once again something that you might not have and will be covered in another podcast. Your next heading would be appearance. In the appearance drop down menu, you will see that we have the following links. We have a themes button. You can change your theme at will whenever you like. We have a widgets button. Widgets are little pieces of code that allow your site to have extra functionality that you will put in your sidebar. We'll have more information on this in another video. Menus allows you to arrange your pages and create drop-down menus with relative ease. Once again, this will be covered in another video. Background, basic theme options, and editor will only ever be needed if you are changing your theme. The next drop-down is plugins. You can add new plugins here and view installed plugins that you already have. This is how you add widgets and other pieces of code to your site. Once you click on add new plugins, you can click on this little bar and search for something. Let's search for a Flash player. As you can see, WordPress automatically searches the database and finds all Flash players that have the tags Flash player. And you can read the descriptions on the right hand side to find out if this is going to benefit you. And once you have, you just click install now and go through the settings to make sure it'll work. We will handle the plugins in depth in a later video. The headings users, tools and settings will not be covered in this video. Thank you for watching. This concludes our first video.